Hi, welcome to Half Scale Studio. My name is Melissa and my new channel is going to be specifically geared toward half-scale house miniatures. I started building house miniatures from kits about 4 years ago. And as I became better at it, I wanted to personalize them. So I started to change the eras and I started to change the color schemes. And then I thought, well, I'd like to go ahead and change the furniture and lighting. So I went online to look for ideas and how-tos, but I was disappointed to find out that almost all of the how-tos were for full-scale miniatures. Now that's fine. Sometimes I could translate those into the half scale, but frequently I found that they didn't look quite right. I couldn't get the thickness of the wood correct, for instance. So I decided I would just start to design my own furniture and lighting and accessories. So what I hope to do with my channel is to share with you my designs and also some of the full-scale items that I have been able to translate into the half scale. So I will show you how to work from kits, and I'm also going to show you how to build from scratch. So my channel will have how-tos for those who are beginners and then how-tos for people who are more experienced. So I'm hoping that you will enjoy my channel and that you will subscribe. Take care.